Okay, so I'm going to be performing a retinoscopy on our patient. I'm checking the horizontal meridian here with my beam vertical. Okay, so I will be seeing against motion. I'm going to add a click of minus, still see against motion. Okay, another click of minus, and I'm seeing neutral here. Now I'm switching, I'm checking the vertical meridian, and I see neutral. I go back and check the horizontal one more time. I'm going to go sleeve up just to confirm it is neutral. I'm going to switch over to right eye, checking the horizontal meridian. I see neutral here. Okay, so now I switch to the vertical meridian. I'm checking the vertical meridian. I see against motion. I may have to add a click of minus sil. Check the vertical meridian once again. I'm seeing a little bit of against motion. Another click of minus sil. And now I'm seeing neutral here. The 3-eye method, I'm going to go back over to the right eye. I'm going to check the meridians here, vertical and horizontal. It looks like we are all good. So now the retinoscopy is complete. Okay, so I'm going to be performing a subjective refraction on the patient that I just did a retinoscopy on. I'm going to occlude the left eye. I'm going to fog the patient, so I'm adding 1 diopter of plus. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have 20/50 up on the screen. I asked the patient if they can read the 20/50 line. They cannot, so I had 0.25 of minus in. They can read the 20/50 line now. I had another 0.25, they can read the 20/40. Another 2.5, they can read the 20/30. Another 2.5, they can read 20/25. Another 0.25, they can read 0.7, or they can read 20/20. And when I put on 20/15, it does seem to be darker and bolder, so I'm going back to my the previous sphere. Okay, so I did not find any cylinder during their retinoscopy, so I'm going in power position here. I instructed the patient that I'm going to flip between 2 lenses, both will be blurry. Just let me know which one you like better. Is it better 1, better 2? They do like 1, and I had 0.25 of bait in there. So this shows me that they do want a little bit of cylinder. So now I go into axis position. I ask if it's better 1. Is it better 1? Is it better 1? Better 2? They do like 2. They're under 1 diopter of cylinder right now, so then I move 15 degrees to 165. I asked if it's better 1 or better 2 or about the same. They said it's about the same. So right there is the axis with the cylinder in place. So now I'm going to do a best sphere check. So now I'm going to fog the patient 0.5 diopters. That's 2 clicks. And then I'm going to walk them out of the fog back until about the same prescription, which is -2 from our subjective refraction findings. So now I'm going to move on to the left eye here. So I'm going to open the left eye. I'm going to occlude the right eye. Okay. So now I'm going to fog the patient 1 diopter. So that's 1 click, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I put up the 20/50 line on the chart. It is blurry, they cannot read it, so now I'm going to walk them out of the fog by adding 0.25 of minus. That's 1. They can read the 20/50 now. Then they can read the 20/40 with 1 more click of minus. Continuing to walk them out, that's 20/30. Still 20/30. 20/25. It's 20/20. Okay, and so I did find cylinder on the retinoscopy, which was 0.5 cylinder at 180. So right now I'm going to put the JCC crossover, and it's going to be in axis position. Okay, and so now I'm going to ask if it's better 1 or better 2. They're going to like 1 better. So I move the dial 15 degrees. Actually, I like this one better. Move it 15 degrees up. And ask better 1, better 2. They're gonna like 2 better. So I'm gonna go back, split the difference, and go better 1 or better 2. They're gonna like 2. And right here, just about 5 is what they're going to like. So now I'm going to go into power position. And I'm going to ask them the same thing. If they like better 1 or better 2 here, they're going to like 1. So then I'm going to add, click a minus, 1 or 2. They're going to like 1, so that's more minus. It's another click. So since I did 2 clicks of minus on the cylinder, I'm going to take away a click of minus on the sphere. Okay. And so actually should be there. So take a click a minus out, and then I'm gonna ask if they're 1 or 2. They're gonna like 1 again, and then at 1 or 2, and they are going to say that they are about the same. So that is the refined cylinder. Okay, and so now since I've done this cylinder, I'm going to uninclude both eyes. I'm going to include the left eye again. I'm going to do the best sphere check on the left eye here. So then I'm going to add 0.5 of fog on 2. Makes it a little bit blurry for them. I asked them to read the lowest line. They read 2030. One more click of minus, 2025. Another click of minus, that's 125. And so here we have minus 125 sphere, minus 125 cylinder. Axis is 5. So now I'm going to introduce prism as the final step. So I'm going to occlude the left eye. I'm going to put three base up on the right eye, 3 base down on the left eye. And while I was doing that, I'm going to unocclude. I'm actually going to add 0.75 of fog into both eyes. So it's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to uninclude left eye. And I have 2040 up on the screen. And I'm going to ask if the patient, which line is clear, the top line or the bottom line. So in this case, the patient is going to say the bottom line is clear, and which in that case, I'm going to add plus there, and that would be it.